$1 forever. So I'm gonna do one vlog today. I don't know what kind of vlog, but my best to have a photo shoot today. So make a good day, you know, support her and make a meet up with somebody. Oh, so yeah, we now wait for Jay, but we're gonna take the head back home, so I'm gonna meet with it. Oh, Jay? Jay, me and tell her. Yeah, call Jay and tell him. Wait then. What I really come to about. Wait then. Hello? Try you there. Alright. Yeah, so finally a day now. Photo shoot. Good girl. Good girl. And the one you finally reach.
Yeah, man, no problem, man.
Hotness increase. Hey. Oh yeah, so my outfit for the day, this H&M, Five Below, don't hate, and H&M, Five Below, and I don't know where I get that up here from. You're talking about the store where I get it from. I'm talking about the store. That's Say hi to my forever squad.
I'm not feeling on.
This is Gia, guys, my ex-best friend.
No, you come on. What ex-best friend?
My ex-best friend.
Why not?
It's my ex-best friend. When we did our 9th grade? Yeah, 9th grade.
11th grade.
Which 9th grade to 11th grade? No, guys, him ditch me for one other girl.
Stop following.
Yeah. Him ditch me and have other girl as his best friend, so you know, you don't know them things too. But boy fly down and bear things. Boy fly down and bear things. Foreign up on them. Then and our photo shoot. Good as I do our photo shoot and Beard sings. Yeah, so then I finally finished. Done do a shadow. So now we're gonna get something to eat.
You can come down in the road, please.
How much money have you? We're gonna get something to eat.
Down to the mirror.
Yeah, so we order our food, Jay call it the food. Be a gentleman. Be a gentleman and collect the food with that Burger King. Finally get our food. I'm gonna end the vlog now. So they know what them put up?
Like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. I'm King J out here. Oh.
Bye.